Dumplings, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing something I've never done before, but, well, I mean, I've done it, but I haven't done it for a video. So I'm going to be doing my weekly meal prep. So I wish I could do this more often. Honestly, I think I don't know, I think you guys understand. You know, like being an adult, time just gets away from you. It just goes by so much faster than when you're a kid for some reason. So anyway, because of that, I don't get to do this as often as I really want to or should, but I'm gonna do it for you guys today so you can just kind of see what I normally try to make. Anyway, just keep watching to see how I do my weekly meal prep, and don't forget to like and subscribe because you know you're gonna want to see more. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing some really cool recipes, definitely ones I've never tried before, but also super simple, not very time consuming, but very tasty, so that's always important, right? So I'm going to be making ranch pork chops. I'm gonna do these in the crock pot for about 4 hours. I'm going to use cream of chicken soup and also my favorite, ranch seasoning. So the cream of chicken soup isn't super low carb, but I figured it comes out 22 carbs per can, but you're not gonna eat a whole can of it, right? I mean, you're not even gonna eat most of the sauce. I just really want the flavoring from it, so I won't put like any extra sauce in my containers, which I will show you guys. You know, I just kind of, like I said, I let the flavor soak in it for those 4 hours that it's in the crock pot. And then I have, I think, about 2 or 3 pork chops, but I'll show you guys how I lay it all out in my crock pot, which, if you guys can see, it's a Disney themed crock pot, and more specifically Disney Pixar, so I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. So I'm gonna be making that. I'm also going to be doing this new Campbell sauces. This one says oven, I think, because I'm gonna make it in the oven. Creamy garlic butter chicken. So you just add chicken and veggies, and I'm gonna add baby Brussels sprouts and these green beans. So like I said, let's go ahead and get started. I will tell you, this creamy garlic butter chicken, the ingredients really aren't too bad as far as being keto and low carb. It does say it has total carbs of 5, and there's 5 servings per container. So again, same thing. It's really just for the flavor. I don't plan on using the extra sauce like over the food and stuff like that. But you know, I don't think it hurts to add in a little bit more carbs here and there, especially if you are, you know, working out and things like that. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna prep the pork chops first because they're gonna take longer. So let's get started with that. Okay, so the pork chops that I get from Sam's Club are usually pretty thick, so I just cut them in half, and I'm just gonna lay them in here. So I would say this is about 1 pound. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in the cream of chicken, and I'm gonna add 1 can of water as well. All right, I'm gonna try to mix this up a little bit. So like I told you guys earlier, I am not gonna add a specific amount of the ranch seasoning. I'm just gonna kind of put it in there. That should be good. So I'm gonna cover, and I'm gonna cook this for about 4 hours. Okay, so I've started preheating my oven to 400 degrees. I've got my chicken in the pan, and now I'm going to add the vegetables, and then I'll pour the sauce over it. And it's ready to go in the oven. So I'm gonna put this in there for about 40 minutes, and then I'll show you guys when it's done. Okay, so the chicken, Brussels sprouts, and green beans are done, but I don't know what in the HE double hockey sticks happened to this pan or baking dish. I think I just got some of the sauce on the sides of it, so we'll just ignore that part, but the rest of it looks so good. I'm really excited about it. It smells amazing. So I laid some parchment paper down on a baking sheet or cookie sheet, and then I put some avocado oil drizzled all over it. I'm gonna sprinkle some pepper on top, and then I'm gonna use some Himalayan salt as well. Now I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese. So my oven's preheated to 400. I'm gonna put this in there for about 10 minutes, and then I will show you guys when it's all done. So the squash is done, and if you ask me, it looks très magnifique. and I am super excited to have this for my lunch this week. So I'm gonna get all our Tupperwares out, and we're still waiting on those pork chops. They still have about 2 hours left. I'm gonna check on them because, like I said, I did cut them a little bit thinner, so they may be done a little bit sooner. But I'll go check on those, and then we will start kind of prepping the Tupperwares. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the Brussels sprout, green bean, and chicken mixture. So I did cut up the chicken, so that way, obviously it was easier to eat it that way at lunch, but also to be able to be easier to portion it out as well. Alrighty, so it's been about 3.5 hours and the pork chops are done. So I'm just gonna take them out and cut them up real quick. Okay, so we're all done with this part, and that was super easy. I'm gonna put the lids on and go ahead and put these in the fridge. Guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is my first time doing a meal prep video, but if you guys really enjoy it, I will glad to do more. I plan on doing this a lot more often like I used to do, so there's a lot of benefits to doing meal preps, so I will definitely do another video on that if you guys want me to. But yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. I hope you guys make some of these recipes. They're so good. I will include them in the description box down below. Like I said, they're also super easy as well, right? So we all want simplicity in our lives. So this is a really easy way to do that, or to help get to that point. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. You guys join me on my adventure to a healthier lifestyle and happier, longer life as well. All right, so thank you guys so much. I will see you next time, okay? Bye.